Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we just want to show you two cases from Casetify for the iPhone 14 Pro. And a big thanks to Casetify for sending these out to review. So the two cases I'll show you here today are the Impact case. I do have a MagSafe version and a non-MagSafe version, and of course these are in different designs. I do have a lot more from Casetify for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and those will be in another video. Alright, so the first one I'll show you here is the MagSafe compatible Impact case. So this one is called Dimensions by Other Minerals. So if you're interested in this one or the other one I'm going to show you, you can just use my link, casetify.com/IansTech, and you also get 15% off if you do use that link if you're interested in either of these cases. So for the Impact case, these come in two different styles, of course. So we have MagSafe and non-MagSafe. If you get non-MagSafe, that's $68, and then if you get the MagSafe version, it's $78. Some of the features of these cases has EcoShock protection, 8.2 foot drop protection. It has the military standard 810G, raised bezel for screen protection as well as camera protection. MagSafe compatible for this one, wireless charging for the other one, of course. And these are partially made from upcycled phone cases through the Casetify program. Now, of course, one of the great things about Casetify is these are super customizable cases. So they have endless designs available on their website. This one definitely caught my eye. Now, of course, I do have just kind of a plain black going around here with some glitter inside, but there are many different colors and styles to choose from. All right, really quick, just want to show you how rigid these are. So these are very protective cases, these Impact cases. So as you can see, it barely moves at all. So these are going to be super protective, squeezing the sides and squeezing the top. There's really not much give it all. So as you can see on the back, we do have Casetify branding going around the camera. That's very iconic from them. And of course, we have this really awesome design. So what I love is they work with a lot of artists, and they have a lot of different diversified designs that they offer on their website. And I just think this is absolutely awesome. And as you can see, of course, going around, you can see that this one has kind of clear black glitter going all the way around. We do have some information telling you that this case is made from recycled phone cases, which is quite interesting. And it's not going to add a lot of bulk, but again, it does offer that 8.2 feet of drop protection. If you look on the inside, you can kind of see these bands going around the majority of the case, and that's going to offer that drop protection. If you want more drop protection, they have the Ultra Impact case, and that one's going to offer even more. But this one is a very nice, slim design, going to offer a good amount of protection. So we'll go ahead and put our phone inside and take a look. All right, so it's pretty easy to get in. So again, as you can see, we do have camera protection going all the way around. So it's going to protect the back of your phone, of course. Going around the front, this has quite a big raised lip going all the way around the front. So it's definitely going to protect the screen on your phone. Taking a look at the side, we have that really nice glitter. Not sure if you can see that very well, but we do have glitter going all the way down inside here. Our silent switch is nice and easily accessible. We do have nice clicky volume buttons. One thing to note, we do have slits on both sides of each of the keys. So dust and debris may get in there over time. So you may just want to take it off every now and again and just clean it. Same thing for the power key as well. So dust and debris just may get in there over time. And taking a look at the bottom here, you can see, of course, perfect cutouts for the lightning speaker and mic. And then fitment on these cases is also excellent as well. So as you can see, it's very, very tight all the way around, which is nice to see. And one thing I'd just like to note, I do use Casetify cases on a regular basis, so I usually swap between cases multiple times, but this one, for my 13 Pro Max, has been on here for quite a while. It has MagSafe compatibility, it offers great drop protection, and I really like the designs that they offer. So there is one for everybody. Now, one last thing I'll show you on this one is just the MagSafe compatibility with this one. Now, all of them are going to be wireless charging capable, but this one does have the MagSafe ring in there, which it's great, but you kind of can't see it. So we'll just go ahead and take our MagSafe adapter, and there you go. Works just fine. And it'll work with wireless chargers as well. All right, and the last one I'll show you here is another Impact case. So this one is going to be very similar. Had that same drop protection that the other one did. This one is just the non-MagSafe version, so this one's going to be $10 cheaper than the other. But as you can see, they did customize it, and they put my channel name on there, which is really cool. One great thing about these is if you don't want to have text, you can place it in different spots on the case. There are different fonts, different styles, different colors, different sizes. You can customize it exactly the way you like. So really cool that they added that in there. So you may see these new stickers on your cases when you do order from Casetify, and this is to authenticate them. So basically it says here, we've implemented a new authentication feature to reassure you that your product is genuine and authentic while helping us to make sure our brand stays protected and support the artists who bring the brand to life. Please note that your products will only be authenticated by registering it first. So That's new for this year. Haven't seen that before. Obviously, this is taking a long time to actually do that, but that is something to, I guess, just make sure that the product you have purchased is authentic from Casetify. And checking the rigidity of this case, very similar to the other one. As I mentioned, this one's going to be very rigid, as you can see. Not much give at all, which definitely gives way to the protection that these cases offer. So as you can see, top and the sides don't really move very much at all. So super protective. And as you can see, this one is completely clear. We don't have the MagSafe ring in there. We just have the Ian's Tech branding at the bottom and the Casetify going all the way around. This one does have the same coloring going around, so the black with the glitter all the way around. And then we have the same, this case is made from recycle foam cases. So pretty cool there. Same exact design, just MagSafe free. So we're gonna put our phone in here, take a quick look at it. There we go. And as you can see, we can see our phone in all of its glory, which is awesome. It looks super, super good. It doesn't add much bulk. We do have that same exact ring around the camera with the Casetify branding, same lip of protection all the way around the front, and same exact cutout. Our buttons are really nice as well. Of course, as I mentioned, slits by the buttons on the power as well. So dust and debris may get in there over time, and you may want to just take that off every now and again just to get that out. Perfect cutouts there. So just another great case. Now, of course, this doesn't mean it's not going to work with MagSafe. It just won't work as well. So as you can see, it'll still work with charging, but it will not stick. So wireless charging will still work, but MagSafe accessories are probably a no-go. And there you have it, a quick look at the Impact case from Casetify for the iPhone 14 Pro. And again, I have more of these for the iPhone 14 Pro Max that'll be coming in another video, but these are the two I had for the iPhone 14 Pro. So really nice cases. The Impact case and the Ultra Impact case are definitely some of my favorites. So if you're interested in these, definitely check them out, casetify.com/ianstech, and they do have 15% off coupon if you do go to my link and check out the ones here, as well as many others, plenty of designs on their website. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.